is
traction now.
So yeah, it feels lighter even though it's heavier. It feels more flickable. But you know how I told you that I was going to switch to a 350? Well, like now this thing feels like a mixture between a 450 and a 350. Like normally the single overhead cam 450 motor is like chug 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 chug, and I don't know, it's a lot of inertia and not a lot of over rev, and this feels like closer to a 350. Like it revs fast and it over revs, but it's got still got the 450 power.
Right.
It's
what map did you have it in?
I forgot all about the map.
Yeah,
I always forget about the map. Let's see, I had it in 2 and I switched it to 1 at work. So that was in 1. Okay, so that whole first session I was in map 1 and it felt great. So on my 19, map 1 is unrideable for me.
Map 1 on this hard packed, it's probably the way to go.
But map 1 on the hard pack on my 19,
nothing.
Unrideable, garbage, too slow. So now I'm kind of pumped to see what map 2's got.
Quick shift?
I haven't tested the quick shift yet, and I don't think I even had the traction control on, but I never noticed it on the 19 either.
Yeah.
I tried to scooter, I tried to like flirt around that mud, and then finally I went right in it and I was like, well shit, that's it now. That's it, man. It's over. It's over.
She done broke in.
Yep.
It looks good. It really does.
You like it?
Yeah.
The shrouds grew on me, dude. But look at this, like you turn the wheel all the way to the left, and
yeah, so close.
Dude, I swear this bike turns sharper than any other, like, because I know how sharp the bikes turn, because when I would break them in at work, I sit there in the parking lot and I turn them to full stop and I do circles each way. And I turned this one to full stop today or yesterday and did circles, and I almost fell over. Dude, I swear the wheel turns too far, dude. Like I could barely stay up doing circles. But yeah, and then it seems like it's gonna hit right there.
Close. Yeah, I think it's big. There he is. What up, guy?
What up, big dog?
You staying tight?
Yeah. No SSR problems today.
Bro, this thing is sick.
Oh, I'd imagine.